thank you for joining me. This is Laurie of Laurie's Heirloom Sewing, and today, at least this part of the day, I'm doing just kind of a quick video. I have 3 things to open, and those are always fun to do, so I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and do that. So basically what happened is our bank of mailboxes was broken into and basically destroyed. So, and this happened like the first part of June. It might have been like the weekend before the first part of June. And anyway, it was so badly damaged that our mail was supposedly being held at a facility near here. I mean, I actually spoke to the person who delivers our mail, and that is what I was told. So we kind of had to wait. We had things coming up and things were going on and blah, blah, blah. So yesterday my husband and I went to the facility. I hadn't even really checked to see if we had mail. I mean, I did one day, and the whole front part of the where the locks are was just kind of hanging, you know, barely, like just kind of hanging open. And she told me that they had ordered a whole new thing for our mail, an outgoing and incoming, incoming. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, that whole thing is supposed to be replaced in 2 weeks, and now that would be about a week and a half. So I didn't even go check to see if there's mail in there. So anyway, yesterday Chuck and I went to the facility that is near our house, and he was in there for about 20 minutes. There's like, I don't know if any of you have ever seen the movie Rocky, but the stairway that he was running up and down, the famous stairway, that's what the stairs going into this facility look like to me. And I can't, with my knee injury and my hip issue, I just took one look at that and said, well, I'm out. So I hope they'll give you the mail that I know I have. I've been told it's been delivered. So he's in there for about 20 minutes, and then he came back out with nothing. And I thought, oh, what? They're going to make me go in there and say it's me? But apparently none of our mail was being held there. It was all in our mailbox. So we drove home, and this actually was left on the front porch a couple days ago. These 2 right here were out in my mailbox. So they don't appear to be in here, but there's the tape I couldn't find yesterday. Alright, well, I'll just do this. Alright. And this is actually the type of material that I used in the placemat that I made to put underneath our dog's water bowl. It's a, you know, it's just one of these envelopes that's got the bubble wrap, and it's plastic. So it's like waterproof, that's why I save things like this. Or you can use them if you got a hot glue gun, or if you're going to spray some 505 on something. You know, you've got something, you're not going to ruin something else. But this is the, oh, that was such a hard time every time I get close to my camera. Okay, so it's a twin needle. I think you can see it. I'm trying to get the glare off. And what we're going to do is some heirloom type stitches with this needle, and the last time I did that we were using a wing needle. So the combination of these 2 use some really pretty heirloom type stitches. The wing needle, of course, is also referred to as a hemstitch, and some people call the twin needle a double needle, or I think I've heard it called a, not pin stitch, that would be this one, embroidery something. I don't know, I'll look it up and see if I can figure it out. This could be lawn. I don't know, so I'm gonna find out. You have to be really careful when you open these, because sometimes, like this one, the fabric is like right there. I don't really want to cut. You just have to be super careful. And again, these little plastic envelope things don't have to go straight into the garbage. I mean, they're great for lining things or even storing things. Okay, I just peeked so I know what this is. I forgot about this one. This is a 100% cotton. It is Daisies on white. And I think it was either purple, just purple or lavender. Purple, okay. So I'm hoping that's, yeah, that looks like it's pretty close. At least on my camera, it's pretty close. I have some sewing I need to do, and this is just precious. I mean, who doesn't like daisies, and who doesn't like cotton? And I love to get fabrics. And then this one, I don't know. I've got like 5 or 6 fabrics coming. So, and again, I'm going to try not to cut through. I'm just going to, okay, there we go. Oh, this is so cute. Is that not just the most adorable thing? So there are 2 others, and this I think is a Stitch and Sparkle fabric. Let's see if it's on the edge. Rose and Hubble. I have to find the other side. It wasn't cut off. Rose and Hubble, manufactured by David Textiles, not sold for blah blah blah. Okay, well, it is. It almost kind of looks like it is a seersucker, but it's not. It's just a smooth cotton fabric. I'm trying to hold it still so the camera can focus. But those rosebuds and the stripes, it's so dimensional and cute. I just love, of course, pink. But I thought, I don't think these two go together very well, but why not? Oh, I don't know. The other Stitch and Sparkle fabric, or the other fabrics I have, are similar to this and have a lot of the deep pink and even a tinge of red. There's just this little teeny tiny edge at the bottom of the rose that matches the other fabric that I purchased. So, and I think that one is coming today, if I remember correctly. I was looking at it this morning. So we got 2 fabrics, and we got a sewing needle. I have some plastic that I need to find a purpose for. I can always do that. Okay guys, so I got a phone call, and then the dogs needed their breakfast, and it's been like, I don't know, 45 minutes since I started, or since I left off, and I don't remember where I was. I think we were talking about this pillow. Maybe that's what we were talking about, or we could have been talking about the fabric, but anyway, I decided while I was running around doing all that other stuff, I would get you a picture of the 2 other fabrics. So that's one of them that I haven't gotten yet. It's so cute. And I think it will look really cute with this. I don't know if we can see. Anyway, it's The red, I think, is maybe a little bit oranger, more orange, however you say that, than I remembered. But I honestly don't care because that is like adorable. And then the other one, this is the Stitch and Sparkle fabric that I ordered. And because it's a picture of me, I'm taking a picture of my monitor on my computer. There are those little swirly lines that these tend to get. But this is the one that has a complementary color, which is so hard to tell. But there it is. So when this, when these two fabrics arrive, I also have some white lawn, LAWN, that I ordered in order to do some heirloom sample stitching on, which will be a tutorial, and we will start on that as soon as I get the fabric and kind of pull that whole class together, if you will. So in this video, if there are techniques with wing needle and techniques with a double or twin needle that you want to see, drop that information in a comment below in this video. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.